guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a bit of a different video. I'm going to be showing you how I take my acrylics off. So this is everything that you're going to need. It's really simple. It's honestly like the safest thing that has worked for me and my nails ever since I stopped going to the shop. These are my nails, by the way. They are so bad, you guys. I've had these nails on for over a month, literally before Valentine's Day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow my social media, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see more videos from me. But anyways, you guys, let's just jump right into the video. Again, this is how I soak my nails off at home, and it's the safest way for me as well. My nails never get damaged every time I do this. So anyways, let's just get started. Okay, so the first step that I like to do is to remove all of my rhinestones and gems. So I like to take these nail cuticle cutters or pliers and I like to pop off all of the gems. This is just going to help the process to be a lot cleaner. Next, I'm going to trim off any excess nail that I have. So I'm taking these toenail clippers and I'm clipping the edge, and as you can see, it helps it to pop off a lot easy. And if you're struggling on a thicker nail, just take your pliers and squeeze that on the edge. So now you just want to put your hand in that bag of acetone and soak it for 20 minutes in the hot water. This is going to heat up the acetone and help to melt off that acrylic way faster versus doing foils. And then once it's softened, you just want to take a cuticle pusher, and as you can see, it's starting to come off like butter, you guys. This is actually really satisfying to me. So you just want to do that, and then you're going to repeat the process. So now you guys, you're just going to repeat steps 3 to 5 until the acrylic has completely melted off. So there you can see I'm reapplying hot water, and then I'm kind of tightening up the bag to keep air from escaping so that, you know, the acetone doesn't evaporate. But as you can see, it still softens till it's completely gone. And then step 6, you're just going to repeat that till everything has completely been removed off. So as you can see, I got all of the acrylic off without ripping off the acrylic from my nails or chewing it off. This is the best way to remove your acrylics. So now you just want to go ahead and trim away any nail growth, or if you want to leave it, go ahead. But yeah, that's basically how you remove your acrylics, you guys. It's so safe. My nails stay really healthy and I never have any issues. If anything, I just have to shape them, as you can see right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and buff them and shine them, and you guys will see the finished product very soon. Step is optional, but I just soaked my hands in some warm water and soap, and I took a cuticle pusher just to push back my cuticles and any dead skin that might be on the nails. And this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly stopped going to nail salons to remove my nails, and they've never been healthier, and I still get acrylics all the time. So yeah, you guys take care, and thank you for watching.